Question 3. A spoon used as a cathode is dipped in AgNO3 solution and a current of 0.2 ampere is passed for 1 hour. Calculate how much silver plating has occurred, how many electrons were involved in the process, what amount of copper would have been plated under similar conditions. Now, how much silver plating has occurred means we have to find out the weight of silver. Now, equivalence of silver is equal to number of Faradays of electricity passed. And number of Faradays of electricity passed will be equal to number of Faradays of electricity will be equal to Q divided by 96500 coulombs, where Q is the charge in coulombs, which is equal to I into T, divided by charge, which is equal to 1 Faraday, that is equal to 96500 coulombs. Now this number of Faradays of electricity is also equal to equivalence of silver. Therefore, equivalence of silver is equal to, the value of I is 0.2 amperes into T. The value of T is 1 hour or 3600 seconds divided by 96500. This gives the equivalence of silver. From this, weight of silver is equal to equivalence of silver, that is 0.2 into 3600 divided by 96500 into equivalent weight of silver. The equivalent weight of silver is equal to 108. Solving this, the weight of silver is equal to 0.805 gram. Now the second part of the question, how many electrons were involved in the process? Now 1 mole of silver ion will accept 1 mole of electrons to form 1 mole of silver. Therefore, moles of silver is equal to moles of electron. Therefore, moles of electron is equal to moles of silver, which is equal to 0.805, that is weight of silver, divided by atomic weight of silver, that is 108. Therefore, moles of electron is equal to 0.805 divided by 108 moles. Now 1 mole of electrons is equal to Avogadro number of electrons, or 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 electrons. Therefore, number of electrons will be equal to 0.805 divided by 108 into 6.022 into 10 to the power 23, and this is equal to 4.5 into 10 to the power 21 electrons. Now the third part of the question, what amount of copper would have been plated under similar conditions? Now equivalence of copper will also be equal to number of Faradays of electricity passed. Therefore, equivalence of copper is equal to number of Faradays of electricity passed, which is equal to 0.2 into 3600 divided by 96500, and from this, weight of copper will be equal to equivalence of copper, that is 0.2 into 3600 divided by 96500 into equivalent weight of copper. Equivalent weight of copper is 63.5 divided by 2. Solving this, weight of copper is equal to 0.237 grams.